So I think most people know about closed loop at this point. For those that don't, a real brief overview. Everything we've been using up until this point is open loop. And what does that mean? That means that no matter what you're doing to the spinal cord, the device won't change. It'll continue to stimulate the impulse exactly the way it was. If the person is overstimulated, understimulated, it'll continue to do that. And it's up to the human element to either adjust it, or in a lot of times people will turn it off. The concept of ECAP-controlled or ECAP dose-controlled closed loop stimulation, with the idea that is kind of bridge the gap between spinal cord stimulation, which came out at roughly the same time in the 1960s as cardiac stimulators, which are cardiac pacemakers, which are reactive, right? So these read the EKG, and then it'll adjust itself and create an impulse where it needs to. Traditional spinal cord stimulators haven't been able to do that until the advent of closed loop stimulation. So the idea is the engineer will calculate where the ECAP needs to be,